today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the speed of a video in Canva. Whether you're looking to slow down footage for a dramatic effect or speed it up to make it more dynamic, Canva offers a straightforward way to customize the tempo of your videos. This feature can be incredibly useful for storytelling, emphasis, or simply keeping your audience engaged. Let's dive into the process of achieving the perfect speed for your video. First off, I want to make sure we're all on the same page, which means we'll begin by heading to your Canva document. If you haven't already opened it, please do so now. This step is crucial because having your project open and ready allows us to jump right into editing without any hiccups. On your Canva dashboard, you'll see a range of projects you might be working on. Locate the one that contains the video you want to alter. Now that you're in your document, it's time to select the video you'd like to edit. When you click on the video, you'll notice a toolbar located at the upper middle of your screen. This toolbar contains several options for editing your video. One of the options you will see is labeled Video Speed. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on Video Speed, you'll see that the default speed is marked as 1x. This is the normal playback speed. From here, you have full control over how fast or slow you want your video to be. If you're aiming to slow down the video for that perfect, poignant moment, you can do so by dragging the slider backward. Conversely, if you're looking to inject some energy by speeding things up, push the slider forward. Play around with it until you find the pace that complements your content best. A couple of tips to remember when adjusting video speed: slower speeds, often used for dramatic or emotional scenes, can make your content more impactful by allowing your audience to catch subtle details. On the flip side, speeding up a video is fantastic for tutorials or sequences that don't require as much focus on individual frames, and is great for holding viewer attention when covering large amounts of information quickly. And that's it. Once you're satisfied with the speed adjustment, you can move on to other edits if needed or finalize your project. It really is that simple. Canva provides you with these tools to make sure your video content is not just seen, but experienced exactly the way you envision. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for spending a bit of your time with me today. Happy editing, and don't forget to experiment and have fun with the creative possibilities Canva offers. See you in the next video.